during the haircut, during every haircut, of course, make sure that you keep checking for balance and composition. So adding a little bit of the, well, pretty famous Reuzel grooming tonic, one of my absolute favorite products, as most of you that have ever seen a video of me before, I use grooming tonic basically always before I do my blow dry. When I'm drying, I am trying to look at what the hair is going to do tomorrow. Is it moving in every different direction? What is going to happen when the hair dries naturally? What is going to happen if you add product, as I'm doing right here? So I am 100% sure that I added a little bit of the green oil-based product for movement. See, is it a pompadour? Is it a slick back? Is it curtains? Most important thing is, do we really have to stick a name to the haircut? Do we have to label the haircut? I don't think so. I think that when you've been doing hair for a very long time, you learn all the techniques, but one of the most important things is that you combine all those techniques, and at a certain point that you learn to let go of your techniques and use everything you learn to approach the hair in the most organic way. Thank you.